Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rocket Lab USA. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has ranked Rocket Lab USA as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.14. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 330.35% since we initially recommended purchasing Rocket Lab USA 82 days ago. This result equates to an average return of 4.03% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and wide upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend anticipates a potential change of 176.88% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 106.57% and 237.09%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 63.11% over the coming year, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 42.93% and 93.43%. This corresponds to a price range of $13.19 to $44.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price up 0.435% on Wednesday. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price increased by 0.435% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024. The price rose from $23.01 to $23.11. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 7.43%, with a low of $22.34 and a high of $24. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, showing an increase of 12.73% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 23 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $525,970,000. It is worth noting that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $28.03, while the lowest price was $3.47. Currently, the price is 17.55%, or $4.92, below the 52-week high of $28.03, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab's recent performance illustrates significant momentum and growth potential in the space industry. The company announced a staggering $1.05 billion backlog, representing an 80% year-over-year increase. This backlog includes $326 million in launch services and $721 million attributed to space systems. Notably, Rocket Lab's third quarter 2023 revenue reached $105 million, reflecting a 55% increase compared to the previous year, driven primarily by robust sales in space systems. In November, Rocket Lab's stock soared by 155%, fueled by new mission announcements and strong earnings, although a correction followed with a recent dip of around 11%. However, the company's strategic alignment with governmental contracts, evidenced by a $23,900,000 award to enhance semiconductor manufacturing, demonstrates a commitment to innovation and operational expansion. This initiative is bolstered by their ongoing investment in the reusable Neutron rocket, slated for a mid-2025 test flight, which enhances their competitive edge. Over the past year, Rocket Lab's stock has skyrocketed by approximately 500%, indicating heightened investor confidence, further supported by its track record of successful launches. While short-term fluctuations are expected, the longer-term outlook remains bullish due to Rocket Lab's disciplined strategy and the increasing demand for space-related services. Such factors not only stabilize its stock valuation, but also reinforce its position as a formidable contender in the space industry. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral rating along with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank rated RKLB as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, KeyBank again rated RKLB as overweight and suggested a hold. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities assigned RKLB a market perform rating with an initiate action. Finally, on Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup rated RKLB as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Rocket Lab USA stock an overall strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts also recommend a strong sell for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock currently exhibits a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal coming from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $24.68. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the long-term average at around $16.29. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's important to note that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the increase in stock prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Negative signals have also been issued, which could affect short-term performance. Specifically, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, November 29, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 15.29%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 61 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 134 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 128 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $19.83. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support just below today's level at $19. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.83 and $17.83 $2.36. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.66 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.43%. In the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 10.23%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates suggest a loss of 11 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rocket Lab USA is at $24.06. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rocket Lab USA faces its first support level at $19. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 26th of November, 2024, Saint-Hill Merlin executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Spice Atom C performed an insider sale of 62,511 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Klein Frank executed an insider sale of 35,968 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Campani Arjun conducted an insider sale of 28,562 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Olson John A. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 88.465. In total, insiders purchased 5,437,177 shares and sold 73,346,353 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.90, reflecting a decrease of 5.24%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Currently, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a worthy investment? Rocket Lab USA Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, these do not yet warrant a recommendation for purchase. At this moment, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements on the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate Rocket Lab USA to open at 4 cents and commence trading at $23.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with an advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.